All right, let's graph it. So we're going to do, you know what the center is? It's going to be here. Is it negative 4? Negative 2, negative 4. That's your center. I'm going to go up and down something. What's under my y, right? So I'm going to go up and down 4. So this is going to be negative 2, comma, negative 4 plus 4, which is just 0. And then this one's going to be negative 2, negative 8. 4, because the square root is 16. And now we'll do the same thing, but we're going in the x direction. So we're going to go to the right, and it's going to be the square root of 8. 2 square root of 2. Do y'all see that?
Oh, yeah.
Because 8 is 4 times 2. So now this will be negative 2 plus 2 square root of 2, comma, negative 4. Because we had to take, because x, this is your x value here, and we move over 2 square root of 2. Great question, because we took the square root of 8. Because this one was the square root of 16, which was just 4. But this one, you had to break down square root of 8. Yes, the 2 square root of 2, yeah. And this one is minus 2 square root of 2, comma, negative 4. And honestly, you didn't really need this. If you saw it, you could actually bypass all this. But so I'm going to draw the box. And remember the box? Yes, a lot faster, which I'm going to show you now. It's going to be, in fact, you might get, anyway, it's faster. All right, this is our asymptote, right? So when it says look for the slope, I'm just looking for the slope of this line. Or this line, either one. What did I say? I said find the slope of the asymptotes. So basically, remember the rise over run? That's the easiest way to think about this. I want to go from here to here. I need to rise. I need to run. How much do I rise? And in my rise, just the square root of this. So m is equal to 4 over what? Over 2 square root of 2. Because how do I go from here to here? It's just 2 square root of 2, which is just the square root of that. So it's just 4 over 2 square root of 2. But you know you can't leave it like that. You got to rationalize. Say which part? Or how do we get this? Yeah, from basically you're rising from here to here. So you're going to rise and then you're going to run. So I'm going from here to here. Actually, I went up 4. That's where that 4 came from. And then from here to here, we went over square root of 2. And basically, it's just the square root of this and the square root of this, which is your 2 square root of 2. And that works every time, if you remember that. So basically, my rise is always under the y. Y'all see that? And my run is always under the x. You could just memorize that, and you could have bypassed drawing all this. Your rise is always is the square root of always what's under the y. And the run is always the square root of whatever is under your x. And now this we could rationalize. Doesn't matter. You mean what's negative? This is negative? Wouldn't matter. It's the same thing. Yep. And then we'll rationalize. Let's see. Multiply by square root of 2 over square root of 2, which is 4 square root of 2 over, is it 2? 4. Because square root of 2 times square root of 2 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. And then what happens to your 4s? So it's just square root of 2. And then, remember, this is the positive side, plus or minus. Because this slope is square root of 2. The slope of this asymptote is going to be negative square root of 2. Done. That one just said find a slope. Yep, probably, yep.